Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Kia Sedona headlight. Remove the negative battery terminal immediately and lay out your tools clearly. Take care to wear gloves to avoid touching the new bulb glass. Work in good light and have a clean cloth ready to protect painted surfaces. I'll walk you step by step through access, bulb removal, and testing so you feel confident to finish the job safely and neatly. Start by opening the hood and locating the back of the headlight assembly. Remove screws or plastic clips that block access and gently pull any covers away. Keep removed fasteners organized so you can reinstall them properly. Avoid forcing panels. Use a screwdriver for stubborn clips and a trim tool if needed. When you can see the bulb socket clearly, you're ready to rotate and release the bulb while protecting surrounding wiring and components. With access secured, rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it free from the assembly. Unplug the connector and swap in the new bulb, avoiding contact with the glass to prevent hot spots. Align tabs, push the socket back in, and rotate clockwise until it locks. Reconnect the battery briefly to test illumination and beam aim, then fully reinstall covers and fasteners. Walk around the vehicle to confirm alignment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.